I think I have forgotten to take a video. It's been too long. Okay. Hey beautiful humans, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome. My name is Ella. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to ring the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified once I upload my videos. In today's video, we are finally doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing. It's been a week since I received this box. I kind of wait to open this until I get my IPSY Glam Bag Plus so I can do a versus of the two, but I haven't gotten my box yet and I am done waiting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up today. I just got out of the shower, my hair is still wet, and I don't have any makeup on because I know that I'm gonna be receiving a face mask in here, so I want to try that out. I've waited so long, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open our box here. So it looks like the theme of this month is A Natural, and I think I have the number 2 variation of the box. First thing I see is obviously the face mask that I was talking about, and this is the LME's Seafood Vital Veggie Mask. So this one right here, it says that get a shot of the green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooth, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So this will be really, really good for today. And this one right here retails for $35. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. But I see this also over here. So basically this is kind of like this box right here seems to be like all natural. Probably not everything in here is like has natural ingredients in it, but the theme is just kind of like natural, greeny, you know, kind of recycling vibe, which we should all recycle stuff anyway, you know, just for Mother Nature. Okay, so this one right here is from Luxy Gia, I think. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind on the earth. Please help our earth beautiful by recycling this packaging. And definitely going to take this in a recycling bin. So these are the brushes from Luxy. So we have a foundation brush, which is a flat brush, a Luxy 246 Precision Crease Brush, and a Luxy 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. So I love blending brushes. So the packaging is really cute. It's like that wooden handle, and it's pink and rose gold. It's very, very pretty. So this set right here retails for $30. That is expensive. I never used this brush for a foundation, so I think I'm just going to use this to apply my mask. So we're going to go ahead and just do that. So it is still sealed. So we're just going to open it up. It has like a very greeny smell. It's like a very natural spa smell like. Yeah. So we're just going to put it on our face. It's very cooling. This brush is very, very nice. Okay, this is very, very nice on the face. And I like using the brush to apply this as well. But this smells very relaxing. And it feels so cooling on the face. So I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then we are going to remove it. So I will be right back. Okay, so 10 minutes is up and I am in my bathroom with my iPhone front-facing camera. So I'm sorry if the quality and the audio probably is awful, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off using a dark rag that says on the instruction, because it could stain a rag whatever we use. Anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and rinse it off. And right now, like, my skin feels tight because, you know, it's tighter around with the product, but it's not bad. It's actually like a little bit hydrating, but it's also a little tight. So we're gonna go ahead and just rinse this, wipe this off. So I don't have anything else on my face right now, and it doesn't feel very tight. Like it doesn't feel super tight on my face. I can't see a whole lot of difference right now because obviously we just put them on for a little while. And these kinds of items, like I always says, the skincare and anything like that, it's really hard to see a difference in one-time use. So we're gonna give this a couple try and see how it helps my skin. But it feels very soft on my skin and I don't feel a lot of tightness on here. So I like that a lot. Okay, so real quick, I did my foundation and all that face makeup. I'm gonna list everything that I use down below. It's very minimal. You probably have seen me done this in past videos to all my face makeups. But let's finish up our look, whatever else is in the box. I'm super excited with this one. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and this one retails for $32. And look how gorgeous this packaging is. It's beautiful. It has this illusion of like a wooden packaging, and these flowers are just amazing. So it has a really great mirror, you guys can see, and then it has 2, 4, 6 pans of eyeshadows in there. So this is Enchantress, Queen, Star. So I'm going to do that 3 first. So let's see over here. So these are all shimmer. Now let's go into this 3 over here. So we have Diva, Temptress, and Fenny Fatal. I don't know how to say that. Okay, so we're going to put this down right over here. So we have those colors. So we're going to go and see what we can create with this look. Okay, so this is how my look turned out. I don't really know what I was doing, and I don't know how I feel about this blue color right here. Let me zoom you guys back out a little bit. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about this blue color right here. I'm kind of like, you're kind of odd. Like, why are you there? But I do like how my look turned out, and I basically tried to use every single color in the pan, and then when I put this star in this color right here on my bottom lashes, I felt like I told myself, you're gonna regret this. This gets to look awful, but it's actually not bad. I just don't know. It blends okay, but for whatever reason, I am having trouble blending the brown, like just kind of diffusing the color. I'm just having issue with that. I don't know why, but I think it's okay now. Now that all the colors are on there, I think it's okay now. So I'm gonna play around with it and see what else I can create. Alright, let's go ahead and what else is in the box. I see this one right here. This is a Peel Gel Liner. This is on the shade Desert Taupe. And this is what it looks like. It says on the card here that this is a Peel Gel Liner. Line and define your eyes, lips. Oh, or lips. Okay. With your new Peel Gel Liner. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and test this out, and these retails for $21. So this is what the product looks like. Let's swatch it over here. Okay, it's very creamy, and you know, this might work for my lips, so we're gonna play around with this one too. We're gonna go ahead and line our eyes. So I'm gonna go tight line with this and do my waterline as well. I don't like the color for my eyes. I felt like I want something a little more chocolatey brown, because I felt like this might look my eye like red. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on, and then we'll move on to the lips, and we'll use the eyeliner for our lips. Okay, so I went ahead and put mascara on and finish up the eye. I'm gonna go clean up my lips, and then we're gonna use the gel liner on our lips and see how that works. To be honest, I do like this. I love this in the lips. It glides on very smoothly and very easy, and I like the color too. It actually tastes more like a lipstick. Man, I went from 0 to 10 glam really fast. Okay, so now we are down into our last product in here, and this is the Alamar Cosmetic Mother of Pearl Lip Gloss, and this is on the shade Serenita, I believe. And this is like a pinky. I wish I would have gotten the more nude brown colored one, but I'm super excited to get this. So I have the Alamar Trio from the BOXYCHARM as well, and having a lip gloss is very exciting. Okay, so this lip gloss right here retails for $10. This is a completely non-sticky wear it alone or over your favorite lipstick or liner. It's a gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. So we're gonna go ahead and put this over this Appeal gel liner. I'm not gonna call it a lip liner because it doesn't claim to be a lip liner. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. It smells like pineapple. Oh my god, that is really smells like fun. I was hoping that they might have like a smell or like a hint of coconut, but this is like a super pineapple-y smell. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm super excited with this lip gloss. Okay, let's go ahead and put this over this. Ooh. Okay, I want to see the actual shade of this. So there's that. Okay, so it's like has some gold tone to it. But why is it pink? Tricky. Oh my, this lip gloss is amazing. Let me zoom you guys back out here. This lip gloss is amazing, and it's not sticky at all. This is actually one of my favorite ones that I got in my box. This two combo might just be my new lip combo for this season. Okay, you guys, so this is how my look turned out. Let's go ahead and add up everything that I got in my box. Okay, so after adding everything that we got in the box, overall value of the box is $128. And BOXYCHARM, if you guys don't know, probably you have already because it's all over the internet, but BOXYCHARM is a $21 subscription that is get delivered to your house every month. Everything that I got in here actually is really good. Like, I don't know what else to say. I love how my look turned out. So there you have it, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any of the videos that are coming up. Leave a comment down below letting me know what else videos you guys want me to do next. Any suggestions, questions, or anything like that, just leave a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!